Hey y'all, it's Kelly from Dixie Darlins Tumblers, and today I've got a video that I'm really excited for y'all to see. So Taylor from Duncan's Custom Airbrush reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to be included in a group of YouTubers doing a Christmas collaboration. Well, y'all know the answer was absolutely yes. Please, I would love to. So I felt very honored and blessed. So thank you so much to Taylor for including me in this. And there were some other tumbler makers that I'm not sure I really would have gotten to know to the extent that we did through this in any other way. So it was a lot of fun. So Taylor, you did a great thing. Thank you so much for connecting us all. I love to meet other tumbler makers. So how it's gonna set up is that it was like a secret Santa. So the person that I was making a cup for didn't know. I didn't know who was making me a cup. It was so much fun. And I'm horrible at keeping secrets, y'all, but I think I did really good this time. I think we all did really good. I'm not even sure if Taylor knew who all had who for Secret Santa, so it was a lot of fun. So how the video is that you'll see who I get selected to make a cup for, and then you'll see me make the cup, and then you'll see that person opening their gift. So it was so stressful, y'all. You know, anytime you're making a tumbler for another tumbler maker, it's very stressful, but in this situation, like, this person has some amazing designs, so I was really, really nervous. I think I changed my design like 10 times, and then I was still sweating it once it got in the mail until I saw her open it. So anyway, but it was a whole lot of fun. I'm gonna list all the other YouTubers that were included in the description box below, so y'all please go check out them. Go check out their videos. They're so much fun to like, it's gonna be so much fun of revealing who all had who, because I don't even know yet, y'all. So it's gonna be fun, so make sure you check all of them out. And thank you again to Taylor. I hope that everybody has a Merry Christmas, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and thank y'all so much for watching.
Merry Christmas! Hey, welcome to this Christmas collab of YouTuber tumbler makers. Today, I feel like I'm a little underdressed. Give me 1 second. Whoa, ho, ho, hey, that's better. Santa sent me to personally invite you to be one of his secret Santas. What? He even sent his magic bag with a present in it just for you. In this box, Santa has selected another YouTuber tumbler maker for you to make a tumbler to and give it to on Christmas. What? So let's see who you got. I'm gonna take a peek. Oh my gosh. You're gonna love it. Oh, this is gonna be so fun. You get to make a tumbler gift for, are you ready? Are you sure? Are you ready?
Okay, y'all, today I'm just starting with a 30-ounce skinny straight from Craft Haven, and I've got this beautiful brushstroke pattern that I knew I wanted to use as the base for this cup. So I've basically got the vinyl cut down to the size that I want, and I'm just going to peel off this little edge right here. I'm going to trim that off so that when I lay the vinyl flush against the cup, I can double check that it actually is going to lay straight and those lines are going to meet up where I want them to meet up. So instead of, a lot of people, and I've done this in the past too, and I've messed up a lot of cups, and somebody had asked me about this week, so it's actually on my mind. But really, if you trim that flap off, that way when you wrap the vinyl around the cup to double check yourself, it lays right. Because if you leave that little piece on and try to do it over the bend, sometimes mine still get messed up. So anyway, that's just a way of double checking myself. And so we're just gonna go ahead and pull the backing off, and then I'm gonna I don't pull it off all at one time, I allow the pressure of me applying the vinyl to the cup to take the backing off at the same time. And then y'all know, here again, I cannot cut a straight line, so I'm gonna apply my painter's tape, and I'm gonna give myself a little bit of overlap here, you can see, so that when I trim that seam right there, I'll have a little bit of leeway, so if I don't cut a straight line, it's not gonna show the cup through. So I go ahead with my craft knife, just trim off that excess, peel the tape off, and then I'm gonna move to the top and the bottom. Once I get the tape off, I just pull that vinyl really tight around the top, and then I'm going to take my craft knife and trim it right off. And then once I've got the top excess trimmed off, I'm going to go into the bottom. And just because of the way this vinyl, for some reason, I guess I'd cut it too long, so I kind of trimmed it off, and I cut it and kind of like spliced it where it would lay around the bottom of the cup better. So I don't know what was going on with this one, but I'm just going to trim off that excess. You can see I just kind of do it around the bottom. I am going to place a circle around the bottom, so I know that this doesn't have to be perfectly straight. I mainly just want it to make sure that it lays down really flat right here. And any little places that want to stick up, I just go ahead with the craft knife and just trim it right off. And then after I've got my vinyl on here, I am going to go in with a coat of epoxy, and I don't know why this didn't record the first part of the show it started. I'm just going to add some glitter into those brush strokes. So I've applied epoxy here, just a very thin layer. especially with some of these finer cut glitters. So you can see I'm just trying to go in and fill in right there where it looks like there's glitter. I'm actually going to put glitter right on top of the vinyl. So I'm using Peachy Olive Glitters, the Grinch, Sleigh Ride, Whoville, and then I'm also going to add in silver bells at the end, just a little bit in those silver areas, and I'm mainly using Whoville just to blend the red and greens. And then here I'm just going in and adding a little bit of silver bells in there just to give it a little bit of bling right there. And then I'm going to let this coat dry for about 6 to 8 hours, and then I do go in, y'all, with Counterculture's medium viscosity artist resin, and I do 2 coats of that, and I make sure that it's sanded down really smooth before I go in to add these foils. So I've done the layer of epoxy with Counterculture's epoxy, and then I'm going in with 2 coats, and now I'm going to add these foils on here. So these are by Southern Belle Glitter. If you've seen me do any coats lately, you know I love these foils, and basically this is just a spray adhesive that I got at Hobby Lobby. So I've decided that I wanted to do these finely cracked ice foils as the background to the decal that I'm going to put on there. So I literally just spray it. I'm going to let it sit there for a few seconds and dry, and then basically I've sprayed the back of the foil a little bit, and I'm just going to go in, and you can see like how easy this is, y'all. So I knew I wanted kind of like a circular area as the background, and I didn't want it to be the full sheet. I wanted it to be a little more distressed. I didn't want the pattern to be perfect. So I have found that when I don't want that pattern to be perfect, using the spray adhesive versus a brush on adhesive works better for me. And then you can just keep spraying it on top. So I just spray a little bit more, and I just go back in, and I've cut another sheet, and I just add a little bit more. And you can see them actually coming off of, their transfer medium, where the sheet will actually be clear, and you can just keep using that sheet over and over and over again until they're basically all off of there. And then you can just cut another one. So I can just kind of keep going back. You can see I'm adding more adhesive spray here, and you basically can use any kind of spray adhesive. This is what I've kind of determined. I think this was just it was actually for stencils, and I just happened to have it here the first time I tried it, and it worked really well. So. And then I'm going to go into a layer of Counterculture's medium viscosity artist resin. I do not seal the foils. I let them dry for probably 30 minutes or so. Not that long. They're basically dry as you're applying them on there. The spray adhesive dries pretty fast. So I'm going to use 20 milliliters of Counterculture's medium viscosity. I'm going to apply that. I'm going to use my torch to pop any bubbles, and then I'm going to let this coat dry for about 6 to 8 hours. And then I'm going to go in and apply my Holly Jolly Sticker Cow from BAMP Custom Creations. And I will link all the products that I used today in the description box below, as well as some discount codes. So y'all make sure to go check those out. And I'm basically just using that foil circle that I created as my backdrop for the Holly Jolly Sticker Cow here. And I'm just going to go and press that right into the cup, and then I'm going to go right into my next layer of epoxy. So I did not seal this as well. You can see, you cannot see the line outside of it. It's truly transparent. So it worked perfect. It was just what I wanted over those foils. And then right after that, I'm going to go into another 25 milliliters of Counterculture's medium viscosity artist resin. I'm going to apply that coat, and I did add a plaid circle on the bottom. I just take in Cricut Design Space, I take a circle, I size it to 3 inches around. I cut it in a kind of a coordinating plaid and put that on right after I did the Holly Jolly decal. So I apologize for not recording that part, but this is going to be my final layer of epoxy. So it's about 25 milliliters. I'm going to apply this coat. I'm going to use my torch to pop any bubbles. I'm going to let that coat dry, and then the cup's going to be ready to put in the mail and ship off. So I'm so excited about this cup. I was so hoping that Courtney would love it, and so now y'all are going to get to see her reaction to opening it, which is so excited. So thank y'all so much for watching, and here she is.
Alright guys, so I am super excited. I have my Secret Santa package, and it's from Kelly Norris with Dixie Darlins. Oh my gosh, I was fangirling. You should have seen me at the post office. So first of all, I love her packing tape with her logo, and then she puts super cute little stickers on her box. So I really appreciate that. That's really cute. I'm so worried I don't want to cut anything, so I'm trying my darndest to get the box open but do it easily. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh, there's a note. Oh, look how pretty the Christmas card is. Oh. Super cute Tumbler care card and like business card all in one. That's really cool. Oh, I love it. No way. You sent me that one? Get out of here. I thought the box was heavy, but super cute straws. Okay, look at this. So she's letting me know, like, this is the tumbler for this video, and the other one is a bonus. You are so stinking sweet. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ugh. So this is the one that we did for the Secret Santa. Super cute, by the way. I'm just like so excited. I can't believe you sent me the other one. Oh my gosh. I love it so much. I am obsessed with buffalo plaid. I have a buffalo plaid like background thing on my my coffee bar, and the colors, and oh my gosh, the cheetah print and everything. This is so pretty. Thank you so much. And there's the bottom. Oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'm gonna open the other one really quickly too. I had commented on, I think, her Instagram. It was either Instagram or TikTok. And I said I loved this tumbler. So I just want to show this really quick. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so pretty. I love farmhouse stuff. Oh my gosh, you are the absolute best. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Look at how beautiful her work is, which I'm sure you guys already know, but still. Oh my gosh, Kelly, thank you so much. And thank you to everybody who has participated and invited me into this and watched all of our videos. And just thank you to everybody. And I love you all. And I hope you have the best holiday ever. Bye.